Number 7, f of x equals 14 plus 4x. The function f represents the total cost in dollars of attending an arcade when x games are played. How many games can be played for a total cost of $58? Okay, so in our function, f of x equals 14 plus 4x, and we're told that this is the total cost, and x is the number of games played. So then they're saying how many games can be played for a total cost of 58. Since they've said 58 is our total cost, then we need to put the 58 right here because this is cost. And we're solving for how many games. Games is x, so the x remains, and then we need to solve for x. So undoing what's been done to x has been multiplied by 4, and then 14 was added to get 58. So let's undo that in reverse. First, let's get rid of that 14. 14 is being added, so let's subtract it. That's the opposite. We need to do that to both sides to keep it even. On the left, 58 minus 14 is 44. On the right, I still have that 4x left. It's 4 times x, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. 44 divided by 4 is 11, and on the right now, I just have x. So 11 games can be played for $58. That seems really expensive. $4 a turn. Wow. Okay. All right, so 11 is my answer for that. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com, and if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.